Hello, you're on the Set.net channel. Today I will show you how to use a proxy with a bot like Runemate. The bot does not have an option to set a proxy. Therefore, there are two options: set a proxy in entire operating system or use a proxy using the Proxyfier program, which will allow you to use a proxy only with the Runemate bot and not use proxy with entire operating system. This option is more suitable, and now I will show you how to do this. If you need to set up a proxy in the operating system, links to these reviews will be in the description. Launch Proxyfier and select the Profiles tab, then Proxy Servers. In the window that opens, select Add and then enter your proxy information. In the address and port fields, specify the IP and port of your proxy respectively. In the protocol section, select the protocol type. If you have a free proxy, nothing else is needed, but if it is a personal one, then make authorization active and enter the proxy login and password in the fields below. When you enter it, check the proxy for functionality by clicking Test. If the message is displayed in green, then the proxy is working and you can use it. And if it is red, it means you need to set a different proxy. When you have entered everything, click OK and Yes in the window that appears. Now select the Profiles tab again and then Proxy Rules. Below select Add to add a rule. In the window that opens, specify the name of the rule and in the Application section, select the Runemate bot file with the exe extension on your PC. And in the Action field, select the previously defined proxy to be used with Runemate. Click OK. The proxy is set, and now when working with the bot, you will be using a proxy. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Click like, subscribe to the channel, and good luck!